heading to Universal Orlando's Epic Universe for the first time, and this place is a whole new adventure. You need to be prepared.
So here are our top 5 essentials that we are 100% going to have positively on our opening day at Epic Universe.
And we think you should pack them too.
Epic Universe is going to be huge.
I believe the scientific term is ginormous.
It is going to be bigger than Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios combined, which means you are going to be getting lots of steps. You are going to be waiting in line for food. You're going to be waiting in line for all the exciting activities. So you need to make sure that you have some comfortable shoes when you go to Epic Universe.
Our favorite shoes are personally the Hoka style Bondies. I prefer the Bondi 8. I don't know you've worked your way through Hokas. A number of Hokas. As well as we've heard people really love On Clouds and, well, you've rocked Metcons before, but I don't recommend that.
Really just something that is squishy, that's gonna be nice to your knees, which is gonna be nice to your feet. Just be prepared for a lot of walking around, a lot of steps, a lot of standing in line, taking in everything that Epic Universe has to offer.
Now, ladies and some gentlemen, I know we like to look fashionable when we're at the theme parks, but this is not the time for heels, okay? Hear me out. Put the heels away, bring them another day, but for those first visits to Epic Universe, wear shoes that you can walk around all day in, get thousands upon thousands upon thousands of steps in, and be able to do it comfortably.
Epic Universe days are gonna be long, so be prepared for being on your feet for all day adventures. This second essential is a bit of a doozy, and it is honestly something that we have been a little frustrated with as it pertains to Epic Universe.
Yeah. The second thing that you have to bring with you, which we will be bringing with us, is a valid park ticket for the day you're going to Epic Universe.
The way Epic Universe tickets are currently set up is they are dated tickets.
Yes.
Which means the ticket has to be for the date you are trying to get into Epic Universe, but also for you.
Think about going to the park for that opening week, opening day, opening month, and you show up and the ticket you brought with you is not the one you can use. And you have to go all the way back to your hotel room. Gosh, I would hate if you're not at Stella Nova, Terra Luna, or Helios Grand, because you're about to have an epic adventure in front of you to go grab your actual ticket to get you in.
Let alone if you show up and your ticket was like the day before.
Oh, and you forgot to use it on the right.
Oh.
I had it for a Thursday, but I showed up on Friday.
Could you imagine?
Tickets are currently available for General Park to be able to buy a single day ticket to Epic. And just be prepared. Like if you're looking to buy a group of tickets, I highly recommend buy them all together. It makes life a lot easier. Ben and I have already gone through the struggles of buying an annual pass single day ticket and a military annual pass single day ticket, and now he can't buy the ticket for the day I have the ticket, and the tickets are all ticketing. And then I bought tickets for myself, Ben, and my family, and I just bought them all together, paid a little bit more and didn't get some discounted annual passes, but I could guarantee we're all going on the same day to Epic Universe.
The big thing as it pertains to tickets is ensure that you have the right ticket for the right date for the right person, and then 2, you're gonna wanna go multiple days, so stay organized with your tickets. And the best way to stay organized with your tickets is via the Universal Orlando app. When in doubt, also take pictures, take screenshots of your emails, things like that. Just make sure that you have redundancies, contingencies built in as it pertains to your tickets. Essential number 3 is ensuring that your phone is not only charged, but you have an external battery pack for your phone for those long days at Epic Universe.
If you're anything like us, when you go to the parks, you love taking pictures, you love getting B-roll, you love going and sharing your adventure so you can review it later. And Epic Universe has so many new things to take in that you're gonna wanna be able to make sure you can get a picture and a video and a selfie and horizontal and a vertical shot of yourself with Toothless for that first time.
You're gonna wanna make sure that you're capturing all the memories, but you're also gonna wanna use it for organization, like we just talked about as it pertains to ticketing. You're gonna be on your phone for mobile ordering for food. You're gonna be on the app for getting in around and navigating the park. You are just gonna be on your phone a lot. which means you want to make sure that it survives those long days at the parks.
Not to mention, if you're waiting in line to ride a ride and you're playing heads up, like the last thing you want, especially when the park is packed, because this is brand new and everyone's gonna be there and everyone wants to go to the ministry, well, you gotta pass some time. And so it would be a waste if your phone was with you, but it died partway through waiting in line in that queue, you know? Onward to the fourth items.
Yeah.
I think that we'll just chalk this up as they're all gonna be in a baggie together, but the fourth necessity that we will be bringing with us to the park are some self-care items. We're talking sunscreen. We're talking a water bottle. We're talking ibuprofen, Dramamine, just self-care items to allow you to be able to enjoy your time in the park, not get motion sick, make sure the Lamborghinis aren't barking too long after a long day, and stay hydrated. There's so many reasons that you need to bring some self-care necessities with you to Epic.
We always recommend bringing a fanny pack or a small backpack to store all of these personal items in, but ibuprofen is gonna be essential. Like we have already talked about, you're gonna be getting tons of steps, being on your feet a lot, and then you're gonna go do it again the next day. So making sure that you're taking care of your feet, your knees, your hips, they are just gonna start barking at you. So having some ibuprofen readily available will make that day just so much better.
Not to mention, again, Dramamine, that's a necessity for you.
Motion sickness.
I love riding rides and getting into it. For other people, not so much.
We're also not opening up Epic Universe in the dead of winter, so that sun is gonna be hot, 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 and avoiding sunburn. Can you imagine being sunburned, like going through Epic Universe?
I have been told by some really great team members that the Celestial Park area does not have a lot of cover, so making sure that you bring sunscreen with you and reapply, people. I am not a dermatologist, I am not a physical therapist when it comes to the walk-in, but I know my sunscreen and I can recommend highly to bring a spray bottle, some lotion. Don't bring the stick kind, because this, again, it's
it melts.
not.
Yeah, don't do that.
It's not winter. That stick sunscreen is gonna make a mess in that bag of yours. So bring sunscreen that you can reapply throughout your day so you can enjoy your time.
Ooh, one thing that we did forget to mention as it pertains to the personal items, the things that we do like, a little bottle of hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, especially the good smelling hand sanitizer, because there's nothing like getting off a ride knowing everyone's been touching things and doing stuff, and if you can't go wash your hands right away, well, at least a little spritz, a little squirt, and then you walk around, and now like, not that you're smelly, but now you at least smell good.
A little pumpkin cupcake action going on.
Oh, I was thinking Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit.
Either one. Little hand sanitizer will go a long way.
Shout out to Bath & Body Works hand sanis. Not sponsored.
This fifth and final tip is probably, arguably, the most important essential as it pertains to Epic Universe.
It really truly is the most important piece for Epic Universe, and arguably any of the parks, but for Epic Universe specifically, this is going to be key. Ben, put them on. You gotta pack your patient pants. Key item number 5, be prepared to wait and be patient.
Epic Universe is going to be busy. Not only in May, but I imagine Epic Universe is going to be busy throughout the rest of 2025.
Yeah.
And as we talk about some of those stressors just compiling and pulling at your frustration tolerance levels, all those things, you're hot, you're hungry, you're tired, your feet hurt, it just makes for and then you blow up and you're just having a bad time.
But the Coke Freestyle is out of ice! What will we do?
Just ensure.
Go check another one.
Just be sure to bring your patient pants. Be patient with the people around you, especially be patient with the team members. They are just trying to make sure that you have the best day at Epic Universe ever.
I mean, there's nothing like starting a brand new job and kicking it off and inviting everyone in only to be told, like, this isn't good enough. Like, they're doing their best and the kinks are gonna happen. We're working through the tweaks and the changes and the moving around of different cues and all of that. Like, there is work to be worked out as they test things for these first,
months.
12 months or so.
Team members cannot control the weather.
No.
Team members cannot control whether rides break down. Like that,
No.
those sorts of things just happen.
And team members can't control if Big John has a protein spill on Stardust
Like,
Racers.
things are going to happen at Epic Universe that you cannot predict. And therefore, please, please, please pack your patient pants. Take care of yourself
Yeah.
and ensure that you are patient with the people around you, the people that you love, and the team members themselves.
I'll do you one better. On top of packing your patient pants, tell people thank you. It really pays off to be kind to the people that you're at the parks with, the people around you, and the team members. I know that you said having a bad time is not epic, but I can say
not epic.
that if you prepare, if you pack ahead of time, if you plan out your day, you're gonna have a great time when you visit Epic Universe, which will open May 22nd, 2025. We're gonna be there and we hope that you will too.
It is just a few short weeks away, so we hope that this video will prepare you for the epic adventures ahead of time.
We're gonna be in the comments, and if you have questions about Epic Universe, if you're curious about Epic Universe, or if you just need some helpful tips, answers to questions, we'll do our best. We haven't been in the parks yet, but we're ready to be there, and we hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.